gikristiano Kanitha wa Ethiopian Tawehido Orthodox nyore mauthi maige mahanine na witikio wa giithiramu. Ni witikio wa arumiriri a kanitha ino ati murumiriri wothe wa kanitha mutumia kana mundurume mukuru kana munini ni abataire kwihumbira kingira hekaru-ini ota uria mutongoria umwe wa kanitha ino Tawehido aratutariria.
Amen, especially when we come inside the temple, whatever outfit that we have put on, but we have to cover our body with this thing that we call natala. Every man, every person, every man who comes into the temple of the Almighty God must cover himself with this thing that we call natala. This one, understand me? Even ladies, they have that, and at the same time, they also have to cover their hair.
Gitumi kinene kia mwihumbire uyu ni guteithiriria arumiriri kugoca ngai riria me hekaru matagutharario meciria ni andu a muhiriga ucio ungi.
Whatever it is that they have come to seek from God, understand me? They have to do it in a right way. But coming nude or maybe an outfit that can become a hindrance to other church comers, understand me? It is not, the church does not actually advise that we should come, when we come to the house of God, we should dress, we should have a proper dress.
Muhiano ucio ungi ni ati mahoya ma kanitha uyu makuhiririe ma giithiramu kuria arumiriri maturagia ndu na guturumithia mutwe thi riria marahoya. Oho, ota ndini ya giithiramu arumiriri a kanitha uyu matitikitie uhuthiri wa inanda riria maraina nyimbo cia kugoca mwathani otiga ndarama na kuhura ruhi. Riria kwina mabura ni magocaga mwathani na miti ya mwanya iregwetwo makwamia.
The stick is just it is a chanting instrument that we normally use, especially the church have choirs. The choirs, they normally use them like now, especially when there is a major holiday.
Ni mwihoko witu ati ni wataukwo makiria megie ndini ino na witikio wao uria marumitie tamuri wa itimu.
Ni mwiti zake duniani na muwe shahidi kwake.
Hadini ha Kameme TV, jitagwo Wangari wa Mwangi.